Okay, so I'm getting ready to make 30 of these small wooden frames. They're little screen printing frames for a Teacher Tuesday event that we're doing. I have about 5 days to come up with 30 screens. So what I did is I made a jig, set of fixtures. So I have my boards. They're cut out of 1x8. Made 30 of them. This just slides right in there, and there's little corner tabs to hold it down. You got these tabs go on, and then you got the clamps. This thing is not moving. I'll be able to just run the program, quickly disconnect, move this out, and end up with frames like this.